We got the bad boys on hand. Take a look at that. NT 555Rs on the whip. Originally, I was looking for the 305 3020s or 305 3520s. NT 555R2s. Unfortunately, I keep getting back ordered. I got email after email telling me how it wasn't going to happen. So I opted for the 285s. I mean, a plus about that, keep the car at the height that it already is with the lowering springs and the spacers on it. Now, I have no serious expectation for these tires. Just, you know, our AAAs, they hook up pretty good. They are really noisy. And you got your ETs, ET Streets and stuff like that. I'll dive more into that type of stuff as we're on the road and kind of why I decided not to go with that. But yeah, also swapping out the tires would be an option as well. Instead of running a 20, you get some more meat back there. In all reality, I can't find any wheels that look better than this on the M4. And the M3 aftermarket wheels look better. Check out Brian's Car Keys Motorsports. I forget the dude's name, but the daily driven, he has a red one, and I forget the wheels he has. That looks super dope. And obviously your BBSs and things like that. There are various different wheels out there that look dope on these cars. But in my opinion, the M4, for some reason, factory looks the best to me. I'll get into that as I'm driving the car. Let me get in. Super excited to see what she does. Red light, so I have an excuse to stop. 2-0, traction off, fully off. It's green, I go. Yeah, she spun. And this thing gets out on you a lot more squirrelier than the Pirellis, boy. They trying to go a little sideways. A lot better at hooking. Still need some improvements though. Really good. 49 degrees. Just threw these tires on too, mind you. I have like 5 miles on them. Not a bad job at all. Not a bad job at all. Man, you should have gotten, you know, weld race wheels or bead locks or blah blah blah, or you know, like 16, 17, 18-inch conversion, whatever these cars provide. In all reality, I'm not going too far with the car as far as building wise. Ain't no turbos and nothing gonna, you know, happen on this. This is already an expensive car, and you know, I just can't afford to spend the money on something like that and be happy, you know. Oh, she goes though, boy. Oh my God, turn this thing into a Mustang taking corners. It's oh, you lose all the nimbleness. I feel like the steering is dead. I mean, I have damn near any air in rear. What, Great River? Where the fuck am I going? I don't even know. Where's Great River? Let me turn DSC fully off. Let me just try to get it to do a burnout to spin the tire a little bit. Let me put this in comfort. That's another thing too. Totally forgot about that. Put it in comfort so it could dig a little better. So I could do a burnout. Okay. Let's get out of there. Did a little Bernie. He put some heat in the tire. Let's go send her one more time. I gotta set the dig thing to a different thing. Come on, hurry up. There we go. I gotta put that back in comfort so it can bite down. Let's see what she's got in her, guys. Okay, that's good. It feels so weird though with the drags on. It feels like the Mickeys, honestly. It's just all over the place. But it hooked. It hooked. A little chirping, but it hooked. Wow. That makes a big difference because I was hooking a lot less in Sport Plus. Wow, that rear end squatted and I took off. Oh yeah, the backs are definitely rubbing though. I can hear it. I'll take a spacer off. Definitely rubbing on the bumps. I guess I never rubbed in Sport because it was firm, but now it's bad bitty squatting, boys. She's squatting, boys. Ooh, it's very bouncy. Number one question, a lot of people want to know, is the tune worth it, right? Me personally, I was kind of on the fence about something like this anyway, because you're kicking your warranty out, and I'm still making payments on this car. I'm financing the car. Having a balance on the car and dropping $2,000 for a tune, maybe like $3,000 for a tune, it's just not smart. It's not smart. It's kind of stupid, honestly. And throwing away your warranty while you're still making payments, it's kind of stupid. And I mean, I did it. I did it because I figured, hey, listen, before I get rid of this car, I want to feel what tune 700 horsepower, blah, blah, feels like. And I'll be honest, I'm still doing it, but it's stupid. You know, it's really kind of stupid when you think about it, especially when I'm putting it out there to the world. I'm even more of an idiot because I know what I'm doing. But, you know, if you want to go faster, if you want to cut those times, it's necessary. You do notice a difference. So for those of you guys in my book, let's say you got a G80, it's paid off, you got money laying around, you want to throw turbos, you want to cut good 60 foots, and, you know, you're going to need to tune it, and I think it is worth it, night and day. I ran DAHLER, JB4, stock. You know, drivability wise, if you're looking to go in a straight line, this is it. It is fast. Now I will say, it does kind of take away from the driving dynamics of this car a little bit, because, you know, it ain't but so fast you can go when you're doing cornering and stuff like that. And I'd say I had more fun in the car when it was stock or DAHLER's power levels. I had a summer tire on the car. Not really like a drag radial type-ish tire that's lower down to God knows like 20 PSI. It was pretty good, you know. I had fun in it. That gutless torque down low, like there's no balls down low, these cars stock. It gave you the ability to punch it a little bit before in the corner and get too much power, but not enough to break the tires. Even in all-wheel drive versions, it'll still slide out on you a little bit if you give it too much of the beans when it's tuned, you know. And it brings in a lot of understeer. So, like I said, my answers are never as easy as just yes or no. It's always, it depends. Not everybody's the same. It depends, man. And I'm just here to say, like, doing a tune and a tire and stuff like this, you just really turn it into a straight line drag racer, you know. But it's pretty fun doing it. But I don't know, you're chasing times at that point. So, do you need it? No. You can still enjoy the car. I enjoyed the car in completely stock form. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell now. Shit, I'm running out of things to do to the thing because everything else that is available to do to it, I don't even want to. You know, the thin line between doing it for views or doing it for YouTube and doing it because you want to. I genuinely, naturally wanted to tune this thing to see what I can get out of it. And now I'm telling you, I'm kind of underwhelmed as far as drivability everywhere. Straight line is pretty much the only place that it makes the car better. You know, the dynamics and the handling this car as a package out the dealer is insane. Here we go. Here she is back in one piece. Throw some E50 in there, take it to Mexico, see what she does. But feels good. It feels good. I was expecting a little more bite from the tires, I'll be honest. But let me get that. Oh, those are your stuff? That's your stuff? What?
If it was my stuff, you want to grab this? It's your stuff, you'll grab it?
Nah, I'll grab it. Oh, grab the cameras for me, please. Nah, she pulls, man. Just got to tweak her up a little bit. See what full kill mode is. I noticed, right? So the little chirping that I'm getting in the back, that's really from brake boosting. Because once I let off and, you know, dig from second, it doesn't chirp at all. It just goes. Yeah, it's little race tires. You see them puppies? Compared to the front.
Yeah, I know. Looking more like a beast every day.
Yeah, man. So we'll see. Stay tuned for the next one. I don't even know if I'm post this one yet, but you know, here we go.